What's going on, guys? We're back in another video. So here we got 2021, 2022 Donruss soccer. So there's one green velocity and pink velocity. Not guaranteed, but that's what we're looking for. And there are no odds in the back, so let's get right into it. First card. Ooh, we got a chrome card. Ooh, optic. All right. Edson Alvarez, Jude Bellingham, Giovanni Celso, Karim Benzema, Gabriel Jesus, Kiro, I'm pretty sure that guy's good. I don't know how to say his name. Luis Diaz, Frankie De Jong, Neymar Jr., Zlatan, Raspadori, he's a rookie for Italy. I'm not sure how good he is. Torres, Rune Jarstein, another rookie. We got Calvin Stangs from the Netherlands, Sergio Ramos, Jakob Moder from Poland, Cancelo, Maxi Gomez, Virgil van Dijk, and then our optic is Messi. Wow. That's sick. It's a little warped, though. I don't know what's good with that. Messi, Yui-Jo Huang from Korea Republic. And then Domenico Berardi. Elite Series, Edison Cavani. And then a Pitch Kings De Bruyne. So first pack pretty good. I don't know, that Messi card looks sick, but I don't know. No parallels, which sucked there, but we'll see maybe this time around. I see something green. Josip Brecalo, Marcus Rashford, Romelu Lukaku, Timo Werner, James Rodriguez, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Thibaut Courtois, Kai Havertz, Nahitan Nandez, Tae Nam, Georgian Strand Larson. Another rookie is Jesper Karlsson from Sweden. I ruined that, dang it. Christian Pulisic, Roberto Alvarado from Mexico, Robert Lewandowski, Min Kyung Sung from Korea Republic, Danny Olmo, Gabriel Martinelli. Hopefully we get a rookie here. Matthias Ginter, Victor Nielsen Lindolf, and our green is Uriel Antuna. I don't know if that's numbered. It is not, but he's a Mexican midfielder. And Pitch Kings, Thiago Alcantara, Ivan Perisic, Press Proof, and this. All right, that's it for the video today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and peace out.